Proposition 349. In order for a living creature to actualize its fullest potential, there needs to be complete moderation across all aspects of their existence. Moderation in all the different chemicals ingested to metabolize the right concentration of elements with each meal can be fine-tuned and adjusted dynamically. Moderation in the amount of eating, sleeping, working, playing, studying, and other aspects of each creature's life is key to reaching one's fullest potentials. Proposition 350. Any organism subjected to an abundance of some aspect of their existence or a deficit in some portion of their life will see genetic changes over time to deviate the evolutionary path without random mutations coming into play. Evolution is how life adapts to its localized spacetime in its own attempt to flourish and actualize its best potentials. Proposition 351. We finally have evidence of propositions from long ago that Darwin was partially correct in certain aspects of evolution, but overlooked other more subtle aspects of what evolution does to an organism over an extended period of time. What has been a core accepted principle of the driving force behind genetic change, the nature of random mutations to drive successful lineages, will be overshadowed someday by a more all-inclusive concept of evolutionary trends.